We are getting set up for our first goose hunt with our A-frame today. Dylan's getting all the decoys. I'm just gonna shine them down. Dylan's getting all the decoys, and Drake getting them all ready to go. And we've never used our A-frame before, and we're in like a pasture pond, and it's got like 80 or 100 geese in it, and we only need 6 because there's only 3 of us hunting today. But hopefully we've got it camoed in good. I don't know. Shine the light on it, Drake. Try not to get water in your... But that's us. We're going down through. Dylan's out there setting up the decoys. We got about 20 minutes, and it's shooting light, so we got a good southeast wind out of 10-15 miles an hour, so we got to have good movement. We'll see how it goes. Stick with us and subscribe. Thanks. Yeah.
Where are they at?
They're coming right. They'll come over the dam.
Oh, good. Get down.
He's fine. Let's hope they come right to us. It's you two. I won't shoot until...
I don't see them now.
They're coming. They're just to the left of that tree. That little tree on the dam. I mean, they're coming straight in. Just let them come right. If they're going to come in, they're going to come right in. You want to get them?
No, they're too far.
No, they're not too far.
Yes, they are.
No, we can get them.
Yes, they are, Dad.
No, they're not. Let's get them.
No.
Let's get them. Get them. Ready? Get them.
Should we go get them?
Yeah.
Can we run and get that?
Yeah. Get a bullet so you can get them.
Fucking bitch. You think so? Yeah, do you want to come back? Well, they're falling really fast. And he's swimming over to me. He's swimming back to shore. Ow, bro.
Oh, there's a small group right there. They're going to eat in a field. What we should be doing is finding that field then.
Oh, look at all them.
I know, there's another group behind them. We need to find that field.
You see the, yeah,
There's 2 small groups.
right there, up ahead of them.
There's 2 small groups that already went. And then those 2 big groups right there. They'll be back here. You see them dropping? Well, that's the ones that are here. So.
And some, I think, landed.
Yeah.
See, they're all going to this field right over here, where these other ones.
I know.
Stopped.
That's all right.
Unless they're turning through this gap.
There are a ton of doves down there, though.
Are they turning towards us? Yeah, look at it.
No, they're gonna circle. I see a green cart there. You see that green cart? I bet you they just picked that field.
Dad, they're coming over the trees.
Whoa.
Nope, they just went short of the trees.
Are they gonna land in that field right there or what?
Yeah,
What if they come right now? They could be coming right here to us now. Look.
I see them. Yeah, because they may be circling back into the woods. Oh, God.
They're landing.
We'll be able to see him the whole time.
No doubt. Either that or they're gonna come right now. They could end up coming here right now. They're gonna come here. Well, we need to get 4, okay?
Should I restep?
We need to get 4. They're coming. We need to get 4.
Yeah. You better get on your butt. Should I hop a couple
No.
times? No.
There's so many of them, they won't even know. Just let them get right into us, hopefully.
Get down, Drake. Put your hood on.
Shh, it's okay. They're coming right in.
4.
4.
Is that thing on it, Drake?
Just stay still. Tell me when you're ready. Ready? Tell me when you're ready.
Shoot him.
Ready?
I dropped 2.
I got
I'm
2?
done quick.
Here. No, don't shoot my truck though.
What?
No, just. There's no bullet
There's
in
no
it.
bullet. Okay, just click it back real quick. Click it back real quick.
Doing that. All right.
Okay, do it. No, Dad, he's done.
They are heavy. They're like 10 or 12 pounds, like big ones are. Well, the A-frame worked. I cannot believe that. We're on luck when it comes to bands. Let's see it. Ooh, he's got old one. That's right.
1048.
That's awesome. 1048.
That's way different.
I know it's way different.
That's less than 1, 2.
I know. All the ones from around here are 1-2s.
Call 1-800.
We can. Dylan knows how to do it on his phone. So when we get done. All right, I'm gonna go grab my truck. That's it. We got our limit. 6 of them. This is our setup. I don't know how much I can get out here to show you the front because Dylan's got the waders. But it must not have been that bad because they they came right in. So that's pretty awesome. We'll show you some pics, but that's all we did. It's just a pond and a pasture. Nothing special, but it's been 80 degrees, 75 degrees here, and they're not wanting to go out and feed that much. They want to go to water and eat grass all day. So we did what they wanted to do. This is the last day for a week, so I think we're gonna go fishing next week to see if we can't try to catch some smallies or walleyes. So stick with us. We got a bunch of videos coming out. See ya.
So we just finished up. It was a really quick hunt. 6 birds down, 1 band. Where's the band at? Right here. It's an old one. Got a bunch of algae on it. But that was an insane hunt. 3 bands on the ear. I shot 1. Dad has shot 1. And 3D hunting, we'll call it, because we don't know who shot it. But it has been an outstanding year for bands for geese. So, great hunt. And don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. So, see you in the next video.